My name is Stephen Ungali.
Okay.
I have a business now. Is continuing. Now I have a continuing for business
Okay.
for bicycle repairs.
Bicycle repair.
Bicycle repairs.
Okay.
Yeah. I do there center in Matisi.
Okay.
Now, because for money is very small.
Uh-huh.
Now, I pray that when you get money, I start a business.
Sure.
Yeah.
So how much do you think you could make in a month with a $500 investment?
$500.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know dollars what.
82 shillings per dollar, so what is that? 820 times 5. Probably 6,000 shillings? Or,
Six.
no, more than that. 60,000 shillings.
6,000 shillings.
60,000. 60,000.
Yeah, 60,000.
So what would you do with that capital investment?
Excellent. For when I get 100.
Uh-huh.
100,000.
Okay.
Yeah, it helped me for that.
All right.
Yeah,
Well, thank you.
thank you.